Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Look like a big fat sponge.
Let me have some. But see it? It's like a bit of thing. What is it?
Cake batter. If you agree, that cake. Look at the cat.
It's the kitty cat! The evil kitty cat.
No, it's on my big fat slobbery belly.
Yeah. You're just having it all. You know what I mean?
Making me feel sick now. I want my Vimto. Where's my Vimto? Is that my Vimto?
No.
Checkmate.
No, I was in the kitchen.
Okay. So what should we do, Georgia?
You should sing.
Go. Go. Before I fall too fast, kiss me quick. This isn't my singing voice, by the way. I've got a sore throat. And if you don't believe me, check my blazer pocket, mate. It's full of soothers. About 10 million soothers.
About 10 of them. Lockets, about 10 of
Mrs.
them.
Lucky! She's such a darling.
Such a darling.
She's my darling. Chloe, stop watching Georgia eat.
Oh my god, she's scaring me.
She's hungry. Give her a bit. I'll give her a bit.
No, I want it.
No, you don't give it her on a plate. Oh, you little dumb butt. Is that on the cat? Let me see.
I'll do it.
Is it on the cat? Can't open it now. Is it on the cat now?
Yeah, that's the cat.
Put it on your finger like this. One.
No, I'm not.
Oh, let's see. Watch me then do it.
Ew! Champion finger. Let me do this one. Ew, will it bite me? No. Will it bite me?
Watch.
It's gonna bite me. No, it's gonna bite me. Shit. I mean, sugar.
It won't bite you.
No, it's
not gonna bite you. Just give it her or she will bite you. Give it, right?
No.
What? She don't bite me.
Just.
Oh
my god.
We'll leave her alone. Oh, I'll just feed her it.
Will she bite me for them?
No. Right, seriously, she won't bite you. Come on.
Ew, Lauren, ew. Makes me jump.
Oh, Chloe! You little dumbass cat.
Chloe.
Right.
Lauren, don't make me laugh. Lauren.
Yeah?
No. Lauren smells, you know. There she is.
Hi! No! Yeah!
Oh god. No. Right, ready?
Did you know?
Chicken head.
Damn it! I took mine off, you know.
Why?
It's digging into me.
Oh, you ass.
Turn it round. Oh, I know we should play a family guy scene. Oh, well, bird. There is the one.
Lauren Evelyn.
Do I not say my name?
Lauren Rose.
Yes.
Come on.
Thank you.
Real bad.
Shut up. Right, we're not putting that on.
Don't forget